All right, welcome back. This is for the beginners. So we have been working on the major scale. We've done C, D flat. Now we are in D. So this is how we do the major scale in the key of D. First, the right hand. For the left hand. Alright, so quickly, I will not be wasting much time. The right hand, use the thumb. Remember I told you the white key, when we're starting in the white key, we use the thumb. But when we're starting with the black notes, we use the index finger. That's for the right hand. So we start with the thumb. So the 1, 2, 3. So the first 3 digits. Then you move the thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you end with the pinky. 5. When you're coming back, you play the same thing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you move the middle finger. 3, 2, 1. Now, assuming you don't want to end here, you want to continue. This is how you play it. The 1, 2, 3. Move the thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. Instead of ending on the pinky, you move the thumb. 1, 2, 3. Move the thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Coming back, the same thing. Move you play with the ring finger. For the left hand, you start with the pinky. You play the first 5 notes. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you move the middle finger. If you want to come back, the same thing. Move the thumb. Alright, so that's it for key D. So our aim is to make sure we learn the major scales in all keys from the C to the B.